Today at the Daily Eco, we explain the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So, let's get started. Number 1. Digestive health benefits. Apple cider vinegar helps your body digest food better by boosting natural digestive juices and balancing stomach acid. It helps reduce problems like gas, stomach discomfort, and constipation. It also supports healthy gut bacteria and helps your liver remove toxins from your body more efficiently. Number 2. Urinary system support. This natural remedy helps maintain healthy urinary acid levels, which reduces the risk of bladder and kidney infections. Its rich potassium content helps balance your body's pH levels and supports healthy fluid balance, keeping your entire urinary system working properly. Number 3. Blood pressure and circulation benefits. Regular use of apple cider vinegar helps normalize blood pressure, whether it's high or low. It improves blood circulation, helps remove harmful substances from your blood, and can reduce discomfort from varicose veins. It also helps maintain healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Number 4. Muscle and joint support. Thanks to its mineral content, especially potassium, apple cider vinegar effectively relieves muscle cramps, soreness, and problems like sprains. It's particularly helpful for people with arthritis because it helps dissolve excess calcium in joints, reducing pain. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce gout symptoms. Number 5. Skin and hair benefits. This versatile product improves skin health naturally, helping with conditions like eczema and minor burns by balancing skin pH levels. It helps remove calluses, fights fungal infections, and, when used on hair, adds natural shine while reducing dandruff. Number 6. Helps control weight and improves metabolism. One of the most well-known benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help burn fat and improve metabolism, making it ideal for people with obesity or cellulite problems. In addition, its satiating effect can contribute to weight loss by reducing the feeling of hunger between meals. Number 7. Immune system support. Rich in vitamin A and essential minerals, apple cider vinegar strengthens your immune system and improves protective membranes in your body. It helps relieve sore throats and reduce cold symptoms, supporting overall respiratory health. How to take it? When used correctly, apple cider vinegar supports overall health and metabolism. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, diluted in water, or used in salad dressings and sauces. For external use, always dilute the vinegar before applying it to the skin, hair, or muscles. Contraindications. While beneficial in proper amounts, using too much can cause side effects like digestive discomfort, headaches, or skin irritation. These symptoms often indicate excessive use. So, before starting regular apple cider vinegar use, it's best to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you take other medications. They can provide guidance on proper dosage and potential interactions. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, give us a like and follow our channel for more content like this. Until next time.